today's tutorial, we are going to teach you on how to fund your call financial account using BPI Express Online. Here's how. First, you have to open your BPI Express Online application. Alright, we are now on the application. Now, from the menu, you have to select Pay Bills. Then, Pay From, select your savings account. And amount to pay, you have to type in the amount you want to transfer. Then to pay to, select biller's name. So I would choose call financial account. Alright, then so review it properly if the amount is correct. Then need to press confirm. So once done, you will receive a one-time PIN, so you have to enter it. And then submit. Alright, so we successfully send the amount and the transaction was successfully added. You will receive also a text notification indicating that this transaction has successfully. Alright guys, so that's all for now. I hope this video will help you and guide you on how to send and transfer money to your call financial account. Thank you so much for watching.